Hey everyone, Gil or Gray Man Prepping. Going to be doing some work with an item from the last unboxing, the weight and stuff for the All-American. So I'm going to adjust things down. I'm going to show you how I'm going to work on it here. And so let's get at it. Okay, so this is the lid for the All-American canner. This is the 921. It's a 21 quart pressure canner. What this has, it has the gauge, and it has a Petcock valve here that is set for 15 pounds. So this is open as if you had the jiggler removed. Flip it down, it sets down at a 15-pound pressure. But I want to replace it with this unit here, which has 3 different settings on it: 5, 10, and 15. That way, depending on what I'm canning, I can just put it on for however it goes. I'll show you that in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off first to start. There you go, came off. Does not look like there was anything on the threads here to, like any sort of pipe dope or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this in case I need to change back for some reason. And I'll put the new piece in. Adjust this down so it fits on it. See if I can get a little bit more pressure on it here. Come on, get on there. There we go. Okay, that should do it. All right, yeah, so like I said, it has 3 different settings. By each hole here has like 5, 10, 15. So for 5 pounds, I put it on this one here. 10 pounds would be this one here. And then 15 would be this one here. So, all right. So this is what I have. And I'm going to wrap this up here. And then we're going to go, then I will go ahead and do another video doing a test with the canner over here. And we're going to just try canning some water to make sure this thing seals right, because this was a gift to my wife from a friend of ours whose wife passed away. And so he gave my wife the canner, and we have yet to try it out, so I'm going to be testing it out here in a little bit. All right, see you around.